Okay, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to manage your system logs on your Linux system. Now I have my terminal opened over here. Now in order to find the log files, all you have to do is go to your /var/log directory, and if I do a ls, you can find all these files which are related to logs. Now if you want to view a log file, all you have to do is do something like cat, and let's say if I want to view my dmessage logs, where are those? Okay, yeah, dmessage. I just do message, and it's going to show all the log file, everything you need from that file. So I'm just gonna reset, and of course there's a whole bunch of files over here which you can go through them one by one if you want to. And there's also going to be this gc or sometimes xc files. These are old log files, and the system will actually compress them and archive them to save this space. Which, by the way, you can actually unzip these things and you can view the logs. Now if you're on a system with system D, you can do something like journal ctl, and let's say now I have my one of the services called Tor installed on my system. Now if I want to view all logging information related to Tor, all I have to do is type in Tor, and I have all my system logs related to Tor showed up over here. Now I'm going to go ahead and reset again. Now the best recommended way is to actually use system journal control if you're on a systemd system. Otherwise you can actually view them manually using a text editor and viewing these things over here. Now one thing I want to now cover is how to use journal control. So if I do journal ctl again, why don't I actually use the previous one for Tor. Now these are all the logging information. Now if I go to my other terminal and I do sudo systemctl and restart Tor. Now I already have Tor running on my system. What I'm going to do is I'm going to restart this. Now if I restart this, there's actually nothing going on over here on my log file. Now it should actually be updated with the fact because our service actually restarted, so that should be logged over here, but it didn't. Now in order to see what happened, not what happened, what I mean is in order to get logging information in real time as the system is logging them in, all you have to do is type in a f over here, which stands for follow. If I do over here, forgot, you have to do f over here because you will be directly referenced to Tor over here. Okay, now if I do enter over here, and it will follow the log file, and when we update our whenever we update our log file, it will get updated in real time, meaning you will get information in real time. Now some other things you can do with journal control is you can view how much disk space these log files take. So if I do disk usage, okay, I forgot over here journal ctl, so 40 megabytes. So that's how much space my log files take. I actually cleared up my logs yesterday. I had about like 1.4 gigs or something like that, It's really not uncommon to see that much log files if you don't usually clear them out. Okay, now one other thing you can do is delete all log files. So all you have to do is journal ctl and you do vacuum, and if you want to delete logs by date, I can do time equals, and let's say if I do 2d, it will delete log files that are older than 2 days. Now if I want to do like delete log files that are larger than, let's say 2 gigabytes, 100 megabytes, all I have to do is size and do 100 m. So this will remove anything that's larger than 100 megabytes. So that's basically how you actually manage your log files. Now obviously you can go much deeper into this now, but for beginners that's basically how you actually do this.